Good morning. Today my topic is internal combustion engines. Today we discuss the two types of engines, SI engines and CA engines. The SI engines spark ignition type and CA engines compression ignition type. In the starting positions, the piston has in these conditions. The conditions in straight follow. Suction stroke and compression stroke, power stroke, exhaust stroke, totally 4 strokes are available. This is the initial stage, that means the starting position is initial stage. First stage is a intake or suction stroke. During this stroke, the pistons move from the BDC to DDC. This area, top dead center, this area, bottom dead center. The piston does not move from beyond the TDC and beyond the BDC. In between, the pistons reciprocating inside a cylinder. During the suction stroke, the inlet valve is open. The air fuel mixers enter into the cylinders. When the piston is reached the BDC, again it start to second stroke. If reached the BDC, the suction stroke is completed. Slowly inlet valve is going to closed conditions. Next stage is a compression stroke. During this stroke, the pistons move from DDC to BDC. During that time, the both valves are closed conditions. The volume reduced, then pressure increased, temperature also increased. The pistons reached the DDC. It start to the next process, power stroke. The strokes during the ignition time. The spark produced, the pistons, the spark produced, the air fuel mixer is started burning. The heavy forces produced inside the cylinder acting on the piston's head, the pistons move from the TDC to BDC in the downward directions. It cycles continuously processing. After completing the power strokes, it will start to the next stroke. That means the exhaust stroke. In the power stroke, the suction and in the inlet valve and outlet both are in closed conditions. The exhaust stroke, outlet port or inlet outlet valve is open conditions. The air fuel mixers, the burning and unburning gases, both are going outside when the piston is moved from BDC to DDC. Again it reached the DDC, it cycle start from initial stage, that means a suction stroke. These are the function of the 4-stroke petrol engines. Next one is the advantages and disadvantages of IC engines. The mostly petrol engines reducing the noise. The petrol engines reducing the noise compared with diesel engines. The advantages of 4-stroke petrol engines. The fuel, first we see the fuel efficiency. The more efficient fuel consumptions compared to the 2-stroke engines due to complete the combustions. Next one is the high durabilities. A longer lifespan because of a lower wear and tear. Only power stroke every revolutions. Next one is a less pollutions. Produce the fewer emissions due to the better combustions and separate lubrications of the systems. Fourth one is a better lubrications. Lubrication is a more effective reducing the engine's wears and extending service life. Quieter operation generally produce the less noise due to more balanced operations and fewer of our strokes. The disadvantages means more complex designs, has a more parts, valve, cam, shaft, engines, block, etc. It's making the heavier to more difficult to the maintenance. Low power output, produce the low power of the low power than a two-stroke engines of the same size, because it's a fire once every 2 revolutions. Higher initial cost, the cost is manufacturer and repair due to the complexity and number of components. Large size and weight, not ideal applications where space and weight are criticals. These are the advantages and disadvantages of SI engines. Thank you.